this meditation, this is a great meditation if your shoulders hurt, if you have any swelling in your hands, or if you just want to really reach out to the divine. And you just bring your hands up in a relaxed V. So the elbows are not straight, but they're not really bent. The shoulders are relaxed down away from the ears, but they're not forced. So there's it's a gentle firmness. The hands are open to the sky. The top of the head is receptive. And just taking a few deep breaths. Now is a really great time to make an intention, why you are calling in the divine. An intention is the how, the why, and the what. Right now, my intention is that I am opening up to receive divine energy so that I may be an instrument of wisdom, kindness, and love. And let's take 5 more deep breaths together. Two more. And one last one. At the top of your breath, hold the breath in. Really extend. Dear divine, I am here. I want to connect. Let me be useful. Show me my purpose. Thank you. Blessings. And then bring your hands down to your chest level, palms together. Feeling right meet left, feeling balanced, present. Ready for whatever's next. And as you exhale, bow to your heart. Your heart has so much wisdom. Inhaling back up.